Starting around the 28th of May 2023, Bitcoin money in a real sense is exchanging at $114.06 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.01% in very most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. BCH explicitly has an in every practical sense all-out market cap of $2,213,315,023 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $64,543,411, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. This generally makes Bitcoin money sort of positioning at 28 in the digital currency market, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money basically be worth in 2023, which really is genuinely huge? Is Bitcoin money a truly wise venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2023, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking? Will BCH cost essentially outperform its record-breaking high, or so they really thought? These for the most part are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH's future, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023 as per the Bitcoin money estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the BCH cost basically is supposed to, in every practical sense, cross a very normal value level of $147.38. The normal especially least value worth of Bitcoin money toward the finish of the especially current year ought to truly be $142.81. Besides, BCH can in every practical sense arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $165.40, which generally is genuinely huge. BCH value conjecture May 2023. The Bitcoin money gauge for May 2023 expects that the BCH may sort of arrive at a very greatest worth of $123.29 with a very least cost of around $108.45, exhibiting how starting around the 28th of May 2023 Bitcoin money truly is exchanging at $114.06 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.01% in most recent 60 minutes, which generally is very critical. Discussing the very normal value BCH can stretch around $119.87 for May in an especially huge manner. Bitcoin money value estimate June 2023. The Bitcoin money cost for June 2023 may arrive at a very least worth of $116.56 while the extremely greatest gauge cost is around $128.09. The typical cost for BCH in every way that really matters is in a real sense anticipated to reach $122.27 in June 2023 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money value estimate July 2023. The exceptionally normal cost of Bitcoin money could essentially go to $127.16 toward the finish of July 2023, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. BCH could in a real sense exchange around in every way that really matters. Greatest worth of $132.98 with the all things considered. Least expected cost of $122.59 in a fundamentally significant manner. Bitcoin money value expectation August 2023. The cost of Bitcoin money by and large is truly anticipated to truly reach at a very least worth of $125.13 in August 2023, or so they in every way that really matters thought. The BCH cost could by and large arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $139.34 with the in every way that really matters normal exchanging worth of $129.70 all through 2023 in an exceptionally significant manner. Bitcoin money value expectation September 2023. The cost of Bitcoin money truly is in every practical sense anticipated to all things considered reach at a sort of least worth of $129.18 in September 2023, which in a real sense is very huge. The BCH cost could generally arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $145.82 with the very normal exchanging worth of $134.89 all through 2023. Bitcoin money value estimate October 2023. The Bitcoin money cost for October 2023 may especially arrive at a genuinely least worth of $134.57 while the truly most extreme determined cost essentially is around $152.57. So BCH could truly be exchanging around a kind of greatest worth of $132.98 with the sort of least expected cost of $122.59 in a huge manner. The genuinely normal cost for BCH fundamentally is really anticipated to especially reach $140.28 in October 2023 in a kind of enormous way. Bitcoin Money Value Gauge November 2023. The Bitcoin money cost for November 2023 may arrive at least worth of $138.78, while the really greatest gauge cost especially is around $158.18, which essentially is genuinely critical. The typical cost for BCH for the most part is somewhat anticipated to reach $144.49 in November 2023, which truly is very critical. Bitcoin Money Value Estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the especially greatest cost for Bitcoin money could stretch around $165.40, showing how Bitcoin money value figured December 2023. In December 2023, the truly most extreme cost for Bitcoin money could explicitly stretch around $165.40, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 especially is $142.81, with a very normal cost of $147.38, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin money truly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Bitcoin Cash's cost most certainly has shown a decent increment of 1% in the very most recent 24 hours. Bitcoin money by and large is confronting a sort of difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. So the normal cost for BCH in every way that really matters is basically anticipated to, all things considered, reach $122.27 in June 2023 in a fundamentally significant way. The BCH in a real sense is down to nearly 0.78% in the very most recent 7 days, exhibiting how the sort of typical cost for BCH for the most part is really anticipated to fundamentally reach $144.49 in November 2023, which by and large is genuinely critical. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for in every practical sense. Recent days, the coin could for the most part have areas of strength for truly yet. We don't really feel that it would a productive resource in every way that really matters, momentary in a kind of significant way. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of BCH in a real sense diminished by 15.276%, dispensing with an astounding in every practical sense normal amount of $20.57 from its sort of current worth, which certainly is very huge. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be an especially decent basically purchase a valuable open door for speedy venture. The 90 days cost change truly is near 13.46%, and the cost truly circled from a for the most part least commonly normal cost of $125.38 to truly greatest really normal cost, $134.83 in the fundamentally beyond 90 days, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. In genuinely most recent 4 months, Bitcoin money for the most part has shown a developing pattern, which sort of is genuinely huge. Consequently, we by and large think that comparable pieces of the market really were very famous at that period, which certainly is genuinely huge, as per unquestionably the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Bitcoin money sort of is expanded from